Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineering. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I'm recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, as per the long-term activity record, it was a seller-dominated day with the value area formation towards overlapping to lower side. So, it was indicating that it was a bearish move, and you can see the volume. It is really high. It was around 8.09 lakhs in the previous day. So overall, it was a bearish day. But you can see that volume came due to this high candles or green candle formation, 200, 330. So towards the last three period, buying was really huge. So here the I've marked the levels based on the previous day's POCs. So you can see that I'll just show in 5 minutes. Market opened this candle. Market opened at yesterday's value area high. So our assumption is there value area would be somewhat around the that above side. So here market opened, and already there is a huge buyers available. So market opened gap down, gap up. So how the buyers are behaving, that should be noted. So it came down, and yesterday's close it touched and it retraced from there. So we know that buyers are strong. So we can directly take an entry. I also took an entry after that candle close and I waited. But it was somewhat kind of a sideways movement. Here you can see the previous day POC was tested. So I waited, and for this candle, if you see, that is a green candle with a red delta. So this was a huge selling which happened in this candle, but the consecutive candle, it was a green candle. So the sellers were not effective. So those were trapped. So from there, market started reversing. I took another trade when the day high was broken. So this was the target which I kept because there was no much drive in the market. So anyway, both the targets were hit and I was profitable. So this is how we need to trade. We need to identify the levels. We need to identify whether it is buyers or sellers, and we need to identify the demand or supply zone. This is the demand zone which I have marked. So sorry, supply zone which I have marked. So from there, the market came down. Here you can see after a uptrend consolidation, it was a reversal. So this was the supply zone. So exactly from that supply zone, market reverse. So this is how you need to trade. You need to identify who are dominating, whether buyers, sellers, and where is the demand zone, where is the supply zone. Those things needs to be identified. That's all from my side. Thank you.